Reena, I am going to the market. Do you need anything? Yes, mom. Can you buy some snacks for me? Yes, sure. What kind of snacks? I like samosa, cake, and potato chips. Okay, I will pick up some fruits too. I don't like fruits. Fruits are healthy for you. Can I go to the market with you? Are you done with your homework? No, then you should stay home and study. But mom, I have been studying all day. I need to take break. Okay, we will only be gone for about an hour. Can we get ice cream on the way home? Okay, sure, let's go.
Great video. Mom,
Yes.
I found a good channel for study.
Great, like the video, share it to your school friends, subscribe to it, but what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.